Hey, it's Luigi here talking, aka Illustrazionidilut. In this video we're gonna finish together the most popular sketchbook on the internet in the past months. It's so famous among artists all over the world, and of course I had to test it myself. And judging from how quick I fill it out and how many techniques I'm using on it, my experience was a 10 out of 10. I'm of course talking about the most famous art creation sketchbook by Royal Talens. Those creamy, very thin, multiple pages you can get for a very small amount of money. I'm talking about roughly €3 for the A6, and for this size, which is A5, €5 on discount. You can find in places such as art shops, of course, but also stationery shops and even newsagents or shops like TK Maxx. They are basically everywhere, and that's why I bought so many new ones, as you can see. But I'm not breaking my promise to not buy new sketchbooks because I have so many. This is actually sketchbooks that are replacing old ones. So this yellow one is replacing the blue one, the big one is replacing the life drawing sketchbook, and the A6 one is, yes, that's a new sketchbook. And what's the best medium to use on this sketchbook to finish the last spread is, of course, acrylic markers. And if I'm thinking in the past 2 years, the best discovery of art medium I've been finding was for sure acrylic markers. They are so versatile and covering and stress-free, and I simply love them. I've been trying several ones. From Medin, from Ohuhu, from Timo even, from other brands as well, and this one from Enmy are so far my favorite. Over this 80 markers pack, only one was dry out when I arrived, and the others are extremely juicy and flowing pretty good. They also sent me these new ones quite recently. They are the glitter markers, which I was not that excited to try, but actually they are pretty cool. I've been having lots of fun by painting these coasters with glittery sushis. It's not that easy for me to show you on camera, but they were pretty good for highlights and particular details. So I'm actually using them way more than expected. They also come with these brand new acrylic pens. I haven't found lots of content about them online yet. It's a set of 48 acrylic fineliners pens, but they also come in smaller color selections. The packaging here is extremely cool to look at, but the plastic tray is a little bit flimsy. Also, I particularly dislike the fact that each one comes with this plastic cap, which is basically just prevention for shipping. If I'm not mistaken, it's a lot of plastic weight that could have been easily avoided in my opinion. I do love though the triangular shape that gives stability on the table, and they are extremely covering. Let's swatch them together now, but first I have to remove all this glue on the tip. So the color selection itself is extremely various, and I can cover quite a lot with them. If you're asking me about the white, how is it compared to the most famous jelly roll pen or uni ball pen, it is very good. As you see, it's covering a lot also on black paper. I think these kind of colors, acrylic pens, are very good helping with the final details on your drawing. But now, without further ado, let's start sketching the very tiny part which is left in this last spread. As you see on the right, I collected the main features of this sketchbook by Royal Talens, which is having 140 GSM paper, creamy color. The reason why it became so popular among artists is its versatility as well as its price. Seems you can use quite a lot of media on it. I would call it mixed media because you can even have a layer of watercolor, maybe 2 layers. I use on this also lots of pencil, ink, of course alcohol markers, acrylic markers as well. And since we are finishing together, it comes naturally to have very soon a sketchbook tour of this one. So if you don't want to miss it, be sure to have subscribed the channel. So as I said, having this characteristic made this sketchbook so popular, also because it was so easy to find everywhere, at least here in Europe. They sell it basically everywhere for a very low price, and it comes with lots of pages as well. That means you have stress-free art creation. Last winter I was basically opening my sketchbook without thinking of whatever I was doing and without worrying at all of what was happening on my sketchbook, because I didn't care simply, and that's a huge advantage. I understood that myself by filling out this first art creation sketchbook. So in order to still feel a little bit of this space I left, I created this woman head with a flow of hair going from one side to the other on the spread, and adding a little bit of creepy darkness on the other side. So if you never tried before acrylic markers, maybe you had, because they were popular for Uniposca, at least when I was a teenager. They were very popular also at school, and they come with this tip, which is a round tip normally, and you have to pump the acrylic paint inside the tip before actually using them. What in the past couple of years I've been seeing more and more happening is many brands creating these acrylic markers with brush tip. And these guys are basically ready to be used, and the brush tips give you endless possibility of blending and detail. And this is a lot of fun because acrylic markers can be layered on basically anything, not only on paper. Even if I'm mostly using on paper, I also use them on smartphone cover, on coasters as you saw, so also on wood, and you can even test them on glass, for example, or on textile. And what is nice, even if the colors are not extremely opaque, such as the lightest colors you have, most likely are not that opaque as much as the darkest one, you can still layer multiple layers of colors and achieve the level of opacity you want to have. As I said, I've been trying many brands for acrylic markers because I was not finding the perfect one. They are always lacking of something. Most of the other brands I tried were already partially dried when arriving, but I finally found the best ones so far in these Enmy acrylic markers. First of all, they come in a huge variety of color, and they come in very nice chromatic orders, which helps me a lot as a colorblind artist. In the box you can get briefly quick view on all the colors you can get. You can label them, and there is the name of the actual color on it. That's also useful for me. And this may sound like obvious stuff, but trust me, many brands don't do this. The paint is always extremely flowing, juicy, sometimes too much, particularly with the white markers. I have splashes of white acrylic paint quite all over my table. This is happening often. But beyond that, I am quite happy with them. And I think also this ability to paint all over again and correct any mistakes, basically you can get, it's matching quite well with the motivation why, again, I was saying that Royal Talens art creation sketchbook is so stress-free. So if you like this kind of stress-free art, I really recommend to find even a cheap brand for acrylic markers and test them with brush tip, because that makes a huge difference. I don't like blending one color to another with a brush. I normally do it with a tip. You can blend them tip by tip as well, but you need to take care of cleaning the tip afterwards. Something I particularly like also of this set of colors is that you have a huge variety of tonal value and not only of colors, of hue. And that helps you so much with your drawing. It's kind of hard to show the shininess of these glittery acrylic markers on camera. I hope I managed somehow. And this brings me to the end of this sketchbook. I finished it in roughly 10 months using many other sketchbooks at the same time, not only this one, so it's very quick for my standards. If you watched this far, leave me a comment telling me if you ever tried acrylic markers or if you have tried this art creation sketchbook and how was your experience with them. Tell me also if you enjoy this kind of video where I'm talking while I'm drawing or painting or something like that. As always, I thank you so much for watching and I see you in the next one. Bye!